Loora is an AI-powered English tutor that focuses on real-time conversation. You can talk about any topic, business, interviews, or just a casual chat. It gives instant feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and phrasing. With a 4.9 out of 5 rating on the App Store, users call it the best app I've ever used for building speaking confidence. The app's biggest strength is its on-demand practice. There's no scheduling or pressure, just a natural conversational flow that adapts to your level. It also tracks progress and personalizes feedback, making it feel like a private tutor that's available 24/7. Many learners say that it's helped them improve fluency and overcome speaking anxiety. However, Loora isn't perfect. The free version offers only one lesson per day, and the paid plan, which is around $12 to $16 a month, feels pricey for some. It also lacks structured courses or grammar lessons, so it's better as a conversational tool rather than a complete language program. Reddit users also note that it's only available on mobile with no desktop version. So if your goal is to practice speaking English in a relaxed, natural way, Loora is one of the best AI companions available. But if you want detailed phonetic training or exam prep, you'll need to pair it with another learning resource.